Welcome back to Rome Tips. Make sure you're subscribed and hit that like button if you enjoy this kind of content. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. Also, remember that this video reflects my personal experience with the product. Today, we're diving into SpectroCoin and their Bitcoin debit card offer, found at spectrocoin.com/bitcoin-debit-card.html. This platform allows you to link your cryptocurrency holdings to a physical card, enabling you to spend your digital assets in the real world, anywhere that accepts Visa or MasterCard. SpectroCoin offers a convenient way to bridge the gap between the crypto sphere and traditional finance, giving you greater flexibility with your digital currency. This isn't just a simple prepaid card, it provides a direct connection to your SpectroCoin account. This means that when you make a purchase, the corresponding cryptocurrency amount is deducted from your balance in real time. This eliminates the need to preload the card, streamlining the spending process and providing up-to-the-minute access to your funds. The SpectroCoin card boasts a sleek, modern design and is available in both virtual and physical formats. The virtual card is perfect for online shopping and offers an added layer of security for online transactions. The physical card gives you the freedom to make purchases at brick-and-mortar stores, restaurants, and ATMs worldwide. This versatility caters to a wide range of spending needs, whether you're shopping online or out on the town. One of the key benefits of using a SpectroCoin Bitcoin debit card is the potential to avoid costly international transaction fees. Depending on your specific location and spending habits, this feature alone can provide significant savings compared to traditional banking methods. It's a compelling advantage for frequent travelers and those who regularly make international purchases. Setting up and managing your SpectroCoin card is designed to be a user-friendly experience. The platform offers a mobile app that provides convenient access to your account, transaction history, and card controls. This allows you to monitor your spending, manage your card settings, and stay informed about your account activity on the go. While SpectroCoin offers a convenient and accessible way to spend your cryptocurrency, it's important to research the specific fees associated with the card, such as issuance fees, maintenance fees, and ATM withdrawal fees. Understanding these costs is crucial for making informed decisions about using the card and maximizing its value. Remember to carefully review the terms and conditions on the SpectroCoin website to ensure you understand all applicable fees and limitations.